guys, welcome back to Tech Meteorite. I'm back here with another video for you guys. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing, testing, and review of the TG-113 Bluetooth speaker. It's probably a JBL copy of the JBL TG-113 speaker. But still, it costs only around $6 or 300 rupees in my country. Well, that's just awesome. So let's just do the unboxing. So yeah, this is the speaker itself. It comes with a USB cable. The speaker itself is 10 watts, and in the instruction manual it's written all about the specifications and stuff. So now this is the box. Thanks Amazon for such a crappy box. Well, the box is totally crap, so let's just continue. So this is the speaker itself. The color is camouflage and all, like those army styles and all. So, and yeah, inside there are all the parts. That's the TF card slot, the aux slot, the charging slot, and the USB slot. So, and yeah, this is pretty awesome. It has two 5-watt speakers and one passive radiator at the back. And yeah, this is the speaker, and it also has a non-slip rubber at the bottom. And yeah, that is very awesome. And it also has a hanging handle and all. Well, that's just cute and awesome as well. And these are all the buttons. This is the power button. Let's turn it on. Okay. This speaker is just awesome. Okay. Let's get to the testing part.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for me. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to...
Bass is quite good considering the price range. Well, actually, this costs only $6, so it is a good speaker in that price range. It is a JBL fake, but it is the best fake considering the price range. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. For more videos, please like, share, and subscribe. It would really help the channel. And thanks a lot for watching. And we'll